Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the first-time home buyers tax credit, and I'm going to show you how to get this credit and how you can use it to make a big difference on your refund. So let me get the video started and we'll walk through this together. So this credit, it's an excellent opportunity for first-time home buyers out there, because this isn't a deduction, it's a credit. And how the difference between a credit and a deduction is that a credit is you get $8,000 less tax paid. So say that before this credit your tax due was $8,000. With this credit, that takes your tax to zero, where a deduction is just a percentage. That amount is taken right off your tax bill. So that's the great thing with this, is it's actually a credit, not a deduction. The credit has just been extended through 2010, so that's good because it was supposed to end in December this year. So it is going to be extended. The video, we're going to keep going in the video here, but I just want to mention real quick, we have an online tax calculator or website at HarborFinancialOnline.com, and you can put in this credit and see how it affects your taxes and how much it's going to increase your refund. So at any point in the video, feel free to check that out, or after the video. How do you qualify for the credit? You have to have not owned a principal residence in the 3 years prior to claiming the credit. So you got to make sure you didn't own a primary home in the 3 years before you're trying to claim for this credit, or else it'll be excluded. The home can't be a vacation home or a rental home, so you can't have a rental home out there with tenants, and you can't be having a condo down in Florida or somewhere else. So make sure you consider that if you're thinking of taking the credit. Again, it must be considered your primary residence, so it has to be your main home. You got to spend at least 50% or more of your time in that home. That'll be your main house. The purchase of the home must be complete before getting this credit, so you can't be applying for a mortgage, trying to get a home, and at the same time filing your tax return trying to get the credit. You can prepare the return. We offer at HarborFinancialOnline.com. You can prepare the return directly all online, because this credit can be a little confusing since it's new, so I'd recommend doing it that way. The credit is claimed on Form 5405, and it's attached to your regular tax form, which is your 1040. So this is a new form, and I'm going to take you to the form here in a minute and show it to you guys. The full credit is for homes costing $75,000 or more. Now it just has been increased to $80,000, so they have moved it up a little bit. The law doesn't exclude minors, but that is unusual, obviously, for a minor to buy a home. So you can't be putting a home in a minor's name trying to get the credit. That would be obvious, but there isn't a law excluding minors. You must buy the home between April 8th, 2008 and May 1st, 2010. So make sure you're in that time frame, otherwise the credit will be excluded. So right now I'm going to take you to the website, and I'm going to take you to the actual form that has to be completed when getting this credit. So here's our website, HarborFinancialOnline.com. We offer a lot more information on tax credits, tax deductions here, and you can prepare the return online and check out our calculator. And now I'm going to take you to the form. This is Form 5405. Again, this gets attached to your regular 1040. And if you do the return online, it's automatically going to include this form if you qualify for the credit. So it makes it easy by just having the form, immediately added to your tax return. You don't have to worry about the specifics of this form. It'll fill it all for you guys. So that's the form. I'm going to scroll down real quick and show it to you a little bit more. It has some instructions here at the bottom. You can pull this up at the IRS website if you want to read some more of the details. But that's the form. So let me get back to the video. Okay. So again, you have to have bought the home between April 8th, 2008 and May 1st, 2010. That's important to remember. If you have any questions about this credit, send me an email at expert@harborfinancialonline.com. I'll help you with any questions you have regarding this credit or any other credits and deductions. Thank you for watching the video today. I'm getting great feedback in the videos. If you have any questions on other videos, let me know, and I can prepare videos on topics that you guys would like me to speak about. Again, check out our website, harborfinancialonline.com. We have great information on taxes. You can do an estimate of your taxes for the upcoming filing and prepare the return rate on the site. So thank you, and hopefully you'll check out my future videos.